guys, welcome back to our repair guys. In today's video we'll show you how to remove and replace water pump on Ford Fiesta ST. Or if you have the 1.6 engine on ST, the procedure might be closed guys. Now, the sad part, you have to remove the timing belt to get to the water pump. And we will have the video. Okay, stay with us. We'll go ahead and take all that apart so you can get to the water pump. Now it's quite a bit of a work, so get ready guys, long video, and we'll cover that. You can see, I don't know who invented that, but the timing belt tensioner is part of the water pump here, so in order to remove the water pump you have to remove the belt. Pretty bad design. When you replace belt, always put a new pump, and the other way around. If you put a new pump, always put a new belt so you don't have to worry about it. Don't forget to replace the tensioner pulley as well. Okay, so you can see that black thing right there. This is the top dead center pin. Okay, this is right above the oil pan. Okay, you can see the black bolt that we just put in there. Okay, this is the top dead center pin. When you install that pin, you turn the engine clockwise until it stops. We even checked on cylinder number 1, the piston is all the way up. That's how we know it's top dead center. Right here we have that locking plate for the camshafts on the back side. It goes in each of them and holds them. On the front, okay, we have this plate right here, and this plate holds the clutches. And also right here we have flywheel holder installed. That's where the starter usually is, so it holds the flywheel and you can get to here. We have all the videos on the channel, so you can check them out how we did each single thing. Okay, after that we're going to remove the bolt with the Torx 40 in our case. Okay, got it loose now. Perfect. Okay, bolt came out. Perfect, this is the tensioner pulley now. Okay, you can see it has a retainer on the back, a rubber bushing that holds the bolt in place. And you can go ahead and pull the belt out on each side. Okay guys, you can see the belt is out of the way. Check out what happened if your engine is not a pinned engine. Just it's spinning free. I hate that design, but can't argue with Ford on that. So let's proceed now. So you can see the timing belt is out of the way now. We'll have a video how to install it, how to set the timing. Very important because this is an no-pin engine, so if you don't get it right, you're done. This is the water pump guys. There is one hidden bolt underneath, and all of them are with 8mm socket. One here, here, you can see in there. 6 bolts altogether, 6 bolts. You remove it and the pump comes out. I will not remove it because it's pretty simple and we're not going to replace it on this one. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Many more videos will be uploaded on the channel, and see you next time.